Many consumers take for granted the process their water goes through before it reaches their faucet and after it goes down the drain. To learn more about the water cycle, where better to visit than Waterville, Maine?
With Waterville in particular, the source is China Lake. The treatment plant has a little bit of extra work because there's so much algae in the water. And so they have to filter out that algae and then treat the water to make it safe to drink.
Chlorine is used to sanitize the water and prepare it for consumer use. But is chlorine really needed? What is in our water that we could be unaware of?
What we call silent killers. They don't smell, they don't taste, they're not obvious, and things like radon, which is a gas. A lot of wells in Maine have radon gas.
We know how drinking water is treated, but what about other household water uses?
All the water is treated the same. The water that you use for drinking and cooking is the same water that you take a shower, the same water that you flush the toilet, the same water that's in a fire hydrant if there's a fire.
We now know how water is treated before it reaches our tap, but this is only half of the process. Peckinham explains how used water is treated once it travels down the drain into the sewer lines and reaches the water treatment facility.
Just like the drinking water is treated with chlorine to make it safe to drink, the wastewater is treated with chlorine to kill any pathogens that might be in it. So in a sense, that water is recycled in that it's coming out of China Lake and then going into the Kennebec River. We're moving the water upstream a little bit, where it would come in naturally from China Lake.
Now that we've learned a little about Waterville's water treatment, find out what's in your water.